Okay guys, now let me show you how you can use only one indicator to differentiate a ranging market from a trending market. Only one indicator, and the indicator is Bollinger Band. Now let me show you how you can use it to determine whether market is ranging or it is trending. Now let me show you. This is Bollinger Band. At the end of the video, I will show you the settings. Do you understand? I will show you the settings. Now, this is how to use it to know when market is trending or when market is ranging. When you see Bollinger Band, in Bollinger Band we have this is the upper band of Bollinger Band, and this is lower band. Why this is the middle band of Bollinger Band. Now, when the bands of Bollinger Band are horizontal line, this is a Bollinger Band. I see the structure, it is a horizontal shape. Now wherever you see a Bollinger Band in this shape, the upper band of Bollinger Band and the lower band of Bollinger Band and the middle band of Bollinger Band, whenever you see them in a horizontal shape, that is a clear ranging market. Do you understand? That is what a clear ranging market. Now let me show you when the market is in this state, this is how you can trade it and make massive profits. Now let me show you. Whenever you see the Bollinger Band in this state, that is a clear indication that the market is ranging. Do you understand? Now you make use of support and resistance to make massive profit trading the ranging markets. Now here you see that the bands of Bollinger Band are in a horizontal shape. So this is a clear ranging market. So in this case you make use of support and resistance. Do you understand? So you buy here, this is an entry where you need to buy. Do you understand? This is a sell. Do you understand? This is also areas where you need to sell. Do you understand? You buy, you sell. So this is it is a clear ranging market. So with the help of a Bollinger Band, you can determine when market is ranging and how to trade it profitably. Do you understand? Now let me show you how to know with the help of Bollinger Band when market is trending. Now watch here. You see, look at this look at the structure of this Bollinger Band here. You see the lower band, you see the middle band, and you see the upper band. Do you see the differences now? You see the differences. So in this case the market is trending. You will see all these places are free. Do you understand? All these places are free. Do you understand? So this is a clear sign of a trending market. Do you understand? Unlike here, whereby the upper band and the lower band of Bollinger Band are in a horizontal shape. Can you see the difference now? So this is how you can identify with the help of Bollinger Band a ranging market and a trending market. Now let me show you another instance. Now look here now. See here. You see the market is another example of a ranging states of the market. Now watch the Bollinger Band. You see the line of Bollinger Band. You see how it is horizontal. Do you understand? This is another one, and this is another one. Do you understand? So in this case, the market is ranging. So you make use of support and resistance to make massive profit here. You make use of make use of support and resistance when market is in a ranging state. Once you identify that the market is in a ranging state, you make use of what? Support and resistance, and do what? Make excess profit. Do you understand? So when it touches when it you sell when it is in this zone, you buy when it is this zone, you buy in this zone, you sell in this zone. So with this particular strategy, you can make massive profits. Do you understand? With the help of a Bollinger Band, knowing when it is ranging and knowing when it is what? Trending. Now let me show you the settings. Let me show you the settings for this Bollinger Band. The settings are: period is 200, deviation 1.5, shift 0, apply to close. Do you understand? So this is the settings you need for the Bollinger Band, and you will be able to know what is happening in the market when it is ranging and when it is trending. This is Optimal FS, where we share profitable strategies. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video so that others will benefit. Thank you.